Hi guys, you're welcome to the channel. Have you been thinking about starting up a YouTube channel, but you are thinking or you don't even know where to begin? Maybe you think you need expensive phones, camera, professional equipment, or thousands of followers to get started. But the truth is this, you can start a YouTube channel today with just your phone, with just your Android phone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to start a successful YouTube channel step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. So one of the things that you need to do if you want to start a YouTube channel is for you to choose your niche. The first and most important step in starting a YouTube channel is choosing your niche. A niche simply means the topic your channel will focus on, the topic that you'll be talking about in your channel, what your channel would be all about. Choosing the right niche helps YouTube understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Some popular YouTube niche include cooking recipes, AI channels, or AI tools, lifestyle vlogs, education, technology, gaming, fitness. It depends on what you are good on. It depends on what you have passion for. It depends on what you can, make videos about. For example, instead of posting random videos, you could create a channel focus on using cooking recipes, YouTube growth tools, AI tutorials, and all of that. The more focused your niche is, the easier it becomes to grow. And another thing again is create a Google account. To start a YouTube channel, you need to create a Google account. Once you have a Google account, you can automatically have access to YouTube. So steps to create your channel is open your YouTube, click on your profile icon. Steps to create your channel is open your YouTube, click on the profile icon, tap create channel, enter your channel name and upload a profile picture, that is if you want to, and just like that your YouTube channel is created. Choose a good channel name. Your channel name is very important because it represents your brand. A good channel name should be easy to remember, related to your channel or related to your content, short and simple. For example, if your channel is cooking, you can use this name: Kitchen with Sarah or Kitchen with Joy, or Easy African Recipes, Simple Cooking Tools. These are, some of the names that you can use. Just create your channel, make use of a good name that is related to your content, and that is all. And another step again is design your channel. After creating your channel, the next step is to make it look professional. You should add profile picture, channel banner, and channel description. Your banner is the big image at the top of your channel. You can design it using apps like Canva, CapCut, InShot, and all of that. Your channel description should explain what your channel is all about, what viewers will learn, how often you upload videos. So, for example, welcome to my channel where I share easy cooking recipes, simple kitchen tips you can try at home. So this is just an example of a channel description. And again, it's for you to plan your content. Yes, before uploading video, it's important to plan your content. One mistake many beginners make is posting random videos, which I actually made that as a beginner. Even in this particular channel that I'm using to upload this particular video, I've actually made that particular mistake, but I've actually learned my lesson. So that is why I'm actually saying all these things, so that you guys won't make the same mistake that I made. Instead of just posting random video, write down 10 video ideas in your niche. For example, if your channel is about cooking, you can write down 10 video ideas, maybe how to cook jollof rice, how to make akara and pap, easy Nigeria breakfast ideas, and so many of them. Plan your content and keep your channel organized and consistent. The next thing that you will do is record your videos. The good news is you don't need expensive equipment to start. You don't need expensive camera or other equipment to start. Like this particular video that I'm making now, my phone is not on tripod, even though I have tripod, but my phone is, I just placed it somewhere and I started recording. So many successful creators just started with just a smartphone. For me, I started with a smartphone. I don't have a mic, but this does not mean that if you have access to this, if you can afford this, that you should not go for it. But this is me telling you that if you don't have access to it, you can actually just start with what you have. Things you should focus on is good lighting, clear sound, and clean background, which you can actually do with what you have. Try record near a window. Like if you don't have ring lights, you can sit down, face your window, and record with natural light. Good lighting makes your video to look more professional. And again, what you will need to do is to edit your videos. Editing help remove mistakes and make your video more interesting. You can edit video using so many simple app tools like CapCut, InShot, and so many of them. During editing, you can add transition, sound effects, text, and things that will make the video to look interesting and that will hook your viewers. Editing makes your video more engaging to your viewers. And again, one of the things you need to do again is upload your first video. Stop procrastinating. Upload that video that you have. Upload that video that you have already edited, that is in your gallery. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload. And steps to upload is: 1, open your YouTube channel. 2, tap on create, that is the plus button at the center of that your YouTube channel space. Click upload video, add title and description, upload a thumbnail. Yes, you need to learn how to create a thumbnail, because the thumbnail is actually the first thing that your viewers will see before they will click and watch your video. And again, click on publish. Congratulations, your first YouTube video is now live. Again, create attractive thumbnails. Thumbnail is what makes people click in your video. Like I said before, a good thumbnail should be related to the topic you're talking about, clear, bright, and easy to read. You can design thumbnail using Canva too and CapCut. The better your thumbnail, the more people will click on your videos. Again, is staying consistent, which I actually talk in most of my videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and all that. Consistency is one of the biggest secrets to a YouTube success. Try uploading 3 to 4 videos every week or 2 videos weekly and watch your channel grow very fast. When you can start making money, to start earning money on YouTube, you will actually need 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour. Once you reach this, you can apply for the YouTube partner program and start earning, which I will be actually uploading a video soon on how to get your 1,000 subscriber fast, 4,000 watch hour. I will actually be making a video on that and you guys will watch it and it will help you to grow fast. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, the best time to start is today. Don't wait for perfect equipment. Start with what you have and improve along the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and turn on the bell notification for more YouTube tips. And I will see you in my next video.